And all the while, all these years, I've been preaching about what? C for cryptos, O for options trading, S for stocks, and Y, we call it yes. How many of you remember that? Wave your hands. You all remember that? Finally, I can put in the real word for Y. And that's a few things that's connecting the dots from my return trip from Hong Kong Bitcoin conference to the launch of this really great prime real estate property. And I've been really pushing myself real hard. What is the real why to represent, and that will complete the product array. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very pleased to share with you here tonight that word, and once I flash it out in front of you, please very quickly type it out into the Zoom chat. 3, 2, 1. And this finally is a throughput articulation of the word COSY. So I'm going to take some time to explain to you 3 very important points about you. And you know the heart of the teacher. I've been asking all of you to go out there and buy Bitcoins. And one of the most important takeaway from my trip in Hong Kong is that while you're holding on to Bitcoin, it can generate for us a yield of 8 to 18% per year, doing nothing. And that's called staking in some parts of the world. But the way that we go about acquiring Bitcoin will be completely different. I'll be sharing with you that once we become a public company, right? So right now it's a sensitive period. I don't want to dive any more deeper into that. Now, then we are looking at all other types of yield. Like for example, I also share with you, I have what we call a financial freedom product that I work with the banks. And what we do is I bought the financial freedom for my 3 boys. They are getting paid every year for the rest of their life. That's another form of yield without doing any work at all. Then there's another type of yield, it's called loan to value, right? You got an LTV of an asset that you own. But in Singapore, why we have the highest concentration of millionaires in the world, in 2004, when I first became a millionaire at the age of 30 years old, there were only 30,000 millionaires in my country. 30,000, 30. Today, more than 333,000 millionaires in my country, a growth of 10x. And how did they make money? It is right here in front of you. Investing in the property of this fixed supply land that we have. How big is big? East to west 50 kilometers, north to south 25 kilometers. You can't find a city smaller than us really. Even if you can find one, that city has no value unless you have concentration of investment into the country. So the land price will keep going up, the property prices will just keep going up because we already understand the agenda of the government. The government will just keep attracting the richest of the rich, people like Ray Dalio, family office. Google, family office. Facebook co-founder, family office. All these family officers, from hedge funds to family officers, pension funds, retirement funds, they are all coming to my country to set up shop. Remember this, all right? Now, what exactly is this? When we say we have cryptos, option stocks, let's start off with these 3 first. All right, cryptos, option stocks. Cryptos plus options plus stocks. All right. So this formula you guys know very well. But I can tell you the season is coming where I'm going to fully double down, triple down on the last alphabet. So I want to get you guys ready for that. And here we go. This is the one that will buy your freedom. Plus you. This is the final one. And very gradually, I'm going to start introducing the concept of you every time I meet up with you. From now, pre-IPO, post-IPO, and I'll share with you my 10-year master plan. You will become super important. Now, what is you? Step 1, from all this liquid instrument is for you to build your capital base. what we call the big lump sum cash, pot of gold, or different languages, they use it, all right? And these are liquid money. To do what? To buy time, and once you spot a really big opportunity, and I share with you what are the big opportunities I spotted. Number one, I spotted the greed product. The ability for me as a parent to buy the freedom of my child. I went all in, bought 3 for my boys, without thinking, because I already know this is like no-brainer. It's a cash-generating product, paying to me first before I go heaven, and then I go heaven, you take care of my children. So it's like a no-brainer, right? So you have this safe zone that kind of make you fearless. So step 1, all this, one more time, all this liquid product is to buy time. You keep accumulating. There must be waiting for something. What's the something? I spot this guy, boom, went in. Okay? Then once you go in for that, and you are already got your freedom, and the equation for that is called, all right, so this is, you take care of the family first. And whether they want to live in rental property, they want to live with their friends, live in your garage, it's their choice. You don't have to force them. But you got their freedom already, right? Then the next step is, you're buying time to wait for the next opportunity. What do you think is the next big opportunity? In my country, it's like proven. The big opportunity why the entire country can become so rich is property investing. But the problem is most people don't have big lump sum cash. So end up, they look at all the rich Singaporeans that get very upset, and they don't, and they because they get so upset, they give up. And I keep telling them, look, you don't have the lump sum cash, work on this first to build your cash. And the next opportunity will come along, you're ready, put in your $20,000 check. You're ready, put in your $20,000 check, and go for it. And this is like no-brainer, because if the property goes down, the political party goes down with it. And we have the dominant political party since independence until today. Still the same political party. We are very safe and stable and conservative and all that. So that is the property. And that property will help you generate yield. And I'm also going to unveil to you very soon what's the step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, all focus on this word called yield. That opportunity come, you put the money in, the cash machine for the rest of your life.